Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Now that the exterior is clean, it is time to focus on the inside of your vehicle and the final details that give your car a fresh, polished appearance. These easy tips will help keep your car looking its best while protecting it from everyday wear. Now it is time to clean the windows. Clean glass improves visibility and makes the entire vehicle look brighter. Spray glass cleaner onto a microfiber cloth instead of directly onto the glass to reduce overspray. Wipe in one direction on the inside and another direction on the outside. This simple trick makes it easier to identify which side still has streaks. Open the doors and clean the door jambs. These hidden areas often collect grease, dirt, and dust but are commonly forgotten. Wiping them clean gives the entire vehicle a more detailed and well-maintained appearance. Next, move inside the vehicle. Remove all trash, personal items, and floor mats before you begin cleaning. Shake out the floor mats outside the vehicle. Rubber mats can be washed with soap and water, while carpet mats should be vacuumed thoroughly. Vacuum the entire interior carefully. Start with the seats, then move to the carpets, floor mats, center console, cup holders, and under the seats. Use small attachments to reach tight spaces between seats and around pedals. Removing dust and crumbs helps create a cleaner and healthier cabin. After vacuuming, wipe down all hard surfaces. Use an interior cleaner that is safe for plastic, vinyl, and dashboard materials. Clean the dashboard, steering wheel, center console, door panels, gear selector, and storage compartments. Microfiber cloths work very well because they lift dust without scratching delicate surfaces. The steering wheel is one of the most frequently touched parts of the vehicle, so it deserves extra attention. Oils from your hands can build up over time. Carefully clean the steering wheel, gear shift, and door handles to remove dirt and keep these high-contact areas fresh. Cup holders often collect sticky spills and crumbs. Use a soft brush or cotton swabs to clean around the edges. Small detailing brushes are excellent for reaching tiny spaces around buttons, air vents, and switches. Air vents can hold a surprising amount of dust. A soft detailing brush or compressed air can remove dirt trapped inside the vent openings. Keeping vents clean also helps improve airflow and reduce dust circulating inside the cabin. If your vehicle has leather seats, use a leather cleaner and conditioner designed specifically for automotive leather. Conditioning helps prevent drying and cracking over time. For cloth seats, use a fabric cleaner and gently blot stains instead of rubbing them deeper into the material. Do not forget the seat belts. Pull each belt out fully and wipe it gently using mild soap and water. Seat belts can collect oils and dirt just like any other surface. Bad odors sometimes remain even after cleaning. Remove the source whenever possible, such as old food, spilled drinks, or damp floor mats. Replacing the cabin air filter can also improve interior air quality and reduce unpleasant smells. A light air freshener can provide a pleasant scent, but it should not be used to cover up existing odors. Now check your trunk. Remove unnecessary items and vacuum the carpet. Organize emergency supplies such as jumper cables, flashlight, tire repair kit, and first aid kit so they are easy to find if needed. Your tires also deserve some care. After cleaning them, apply a tire dressing if desired. This helps restore a rich black appearance while providing some protection against drying and cracking. Avoid getting tire dressing on the tire tread because it may reduce traction. Take a few minutes to inspect your windshield wiper blades. Dirty or worn blades can leave streaks during rain. Wipe the rubber blades with a damp cloth to remove dirt and replace them if they are cracked or damaged. Keeping your engine bay clean can also be beneficial, but this should be done carefully. If you choose to clean it, Make sure the engine is cool and avoid spraying large amounts of water directly onto electrical components. A damp microfiber cloth is often enough to remove dust from accessible areas. Many people overlook regular maintenance between washes. Keeping a small microfiber cloth inside your car allows you to quickly wipe away fingerprints, dust, or light dirt before it builds up. Small habits like these make future deep cleaning much easier. Another useful habit is cleaning spills immediately. Drinks, food, and mud become much harder to remove after they dry. A quick cleanup helps prevent stains and lingering odors. Try to wash your vehicle every 2 to 4 weeks depending on your climate and driving conditions. If you frequently drive on dusty roads, near the ocean, or during winter conditions where road salt is used, more frequent washing helps protect the paint. Remember that quality is more important than speed. Taking your time, using the right products, and following a careful process can produce results that look almost professional. Regular care not only makes your vehicle more enjoyable to drive but also helps preserve its value for years to come. A clean car reflects pride in ownership. Whether you drive a brand new vehicle or one that has been on the road for many years, simple DIY cleaning techniques can make a noticeable difference. With patience, the right tools, and consistent maintenance, anyone can keep a vehicle looking fresh, shiny, and ready for every journey. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.